Click on the link below to get price. The Autel Robotics EVO 2 Pro V3 is an impressive drone that takes aerial photography and videography to new heights, thanks to its advanced features and robust build quality. One of its standout attributes is the Sony 1 CMOS sensor, which delivers stunning image clarity and detail, particularly in low-light conditions. This sensor allows for a maximum resolution of 6K, ensuring that every shot captures the richness of colors and textures, making it an ideal choice for professionals and enthusiasts alike. The drone's camera performance is further enhanced by its adjustable aperture, ranging from f/2.8 to f/11, giving users the flexibility to control depth of field and exposure settings. This feature is particularly beneficial for capturing dynamic scenes where lighting conditions can change rapidly. The enhanced HDR capabilities also help in producing images with a wider dynamic range, allowing for more realistic representation of scenes. Flight performance is another area where the EVO 2 Pro V3 excels. With a maximum flight time of up to 40 minutes, it outlasts many competitors, giving users ample time to capture the perfect shot. The drone's advanced obstacle avoidance system, featuring 12 computer vision sensors, ensures safety during flight by detecting and avoiding potential obstacles, thus allowing for more autonomous flying experiences. The user-friendly interface of the Autel Explorer app enhances the overall experience, providing intuitive controls in various flight modes, including follow me, waypoints, and orbit modes. These features make it easy for both beginners and seasoned pilots to operate the drone effectively. Additionally, the EVO 2 Pro V3's robust construction and foldable design make it highly portable, catering to on-the-go filmmakers and adventurers. The 6K video capability is a significant upgrade over many drones in the same price range, making it a fantastic investment for anyone serious about aerial cinematography. Ultimately, the Autel Robotics EVO 2 Pro V3 represents a well-rounded package of cutting-edge technology and user-centric design, making it a top choice for drone enthusiasts wanting to elevate their creative projects.